Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about some of the long-term goals which software tester must keep in their mind whenever they are growing in their career. So I'll be discussing some of the very important long-term goals every software tester must keep in their mind whenever they are designing their career. The first thing what we should do is to become a good software tester, we should keep always the long-term goal is we have to be looking as a subject matter expert. If you wanted to stay relevant in the industry, that means you have to be an SME in a particular area, where especially we need to a specific domain expertise as well as expertise in certain technologies, certain testing methodologies, become as an SME within the organization or the industry. That is the first thing we should do in order to develop our long-term goal, which is to becoming a subject matter expert. And the second goal we should always look is in terms of advancement in our leadership roles or career ladder from software tester to senior software tester, then lead, then manager, associate manager, senior manager, and so on. We have to look in these aspects as well, from moving from test lead to manager as well as directors. We should keep in mind what are the different strategy we should adopt in order to move from one career to the another career goal. That is the second aspect you should keep in your mind whenever we are keeping or making the long-term goals in mind. The third goal should be you should be able to continuously keep learning, and you should adapt in developing new skills. If you are not going to adapt continuous learning and you are not updating the new skills which is coming in the market, or new tools or methods or technologies which is coming in the market, then you will become irrelevant in the software industry. The fourth goal we should keep in mind is we should be able to adapt contributing to the process improvement. That is very key. We should always focus on improving the quality, improving the process which we are adopting in our organization, especially testing organization. We have to keep monitoring that processes and how we can improve on regular basis also we should keep in mind. If your testing processes are very monotonous, testing processes are not able to adapt to the changes, then it is of no use. Hence, it is always better to look on these process improvements and see any gaps are there. How can we bring new things, new adaptability into our process improvement? Then definitely that should be our fourth goal in our testing career. And the fifth goal should be we should always keep promoting in terms of quality culture. That is very key in any organization. As a software tester, your goal should always for promoting quality culture by bringing a lot of awareness within the testing group, and to become a champion in bringing awareness as well as advocating the quality within the organization. And the sixth goal you should always keep in mind is we should always move towards automation. If we just stuck to the manual testing, which is of no use, always we should focus or move towards automation, and we should be bring more efficient, and we should bring more proficient in the test automation framework, scripting languages, tools, transition towards different roles, focusing on test automation engineering also you should keep in mind, especially whenever you wanted to grow in software testing roles. The seventh goal you should keep in mind is you should be a cross-functional collaboration also you should develop. Cross-functional collaboration means you should be able to collaborate with the various stakeholders such as developers, product managers, business stakeholders. That is going to integrate the quality throughout the software development lifecycle. That is the key thing or key goal you should keep in mind as a software tester to develop your long-term goals. And the eighth one is you should always contribute to innovation. As we discussed earlier, you should always keep in mind that the new things, new strategies, new technologies, new innovations, continuous improvement you should keep in mind. With new tools arriving, new techniques are arriving, that is going to enhance our overall testing in terms of efficiency, effectiveness, as well as testing coverage. And the ninth goal you should keep in mind while doing your software testing career is in terms of mentoring and coaching. The long-term goal you should always keep in mind, you should become a mentor, or you should become a coacher for all our junior tester or anybody in that matter who want to learn the testing methodologies. You should always be able to share the knowledge and providing the guidances and posting as a professional growth as well as development within the testing community. That is the key things you should keep in mind, which is mentoring and coaching. And the 10th one is you should always give a positive impact as a software tester within the organization or within the company, because quality of the product is very key, and we should, as a software tester, we should put all the efforts in order to meet or exceed the customer expectation in terms of quality aspects, and we are going to deliver high value products to the stakeholders as well as contribute to the success of the organization in terms of quality and in terms of positive impact as well. If you keep in these 10 goals in your mind, then definitely you can grow very successful in this software testing industry. I hope you guys got a clear idea what are the key things you should keep in your mind as a long-term goal to build yourself a better career in the software testing industry. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.